Welcome back to this other video of part maintenance of the Toyota Corolla. If you watched my previous video, it's 8 minutes long about how to do a oil change and on the Corolla. Now, after you've done the oil change on the Corolla, you're gonna have that maintenance light on. And on this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset that light. Stay tuned. So with the car off, we're gonna reset the maintenance light. Make sure it's on trip. We're gonna shut the car off. We're gonna press and hold. Come on, focus. This lever, and we're gonna turn the key to the run position without starting the car. As we reset, gonna see the light, the little progress bar, because I was rocking it with my hand. However, once you do it, you're gonna see some lights going sideways, and the maintenance light is erased. So let me see if I could do it again, so I could show it on the video. I'm gonna see if I could do it one-handed. Okay, we're gonna press and hold and turn the key to the run position. As you can see, it's resetting. At this time, just release. Maintenance light is off. Turn the car back off, then turn it back on. And you have resetted the maintenance light.